Ready to wash my oldest pair of APCs I got here. I just forgot I didn't have woolite, so I got my bin here. I got it all cleaned up. I gotta go get some woolite. In the meantime, I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of the denim here. 2.5 years unwashed. Wore the first 180 days straight. I really wanted to wear them a year straight, but it was a little too difficult for that, boys. But got 280 days straight, then I wore them for like 3 to 4 days a week after that, I'd say. I really wanted to wash this pair over in the Philippines on a beach, but there's no traveling currently, so maybe I'll do that with another pair. But I decided to wash this pair because I posted that last video and I got some feedback letting me know, at this point I'm not really doing it, I'm not washing them for the fit. I'm kind of like hurting the denim, so I decided, it makes sense to wash them now. 2.5 years is a good stopping point. And yeah, let me show you guys the back. And then I'm super excited to see how these will turn out. So got the woolite over there chilling, finally back from Walmart, and got my tub. I'm gonna fill it up with some warm water here and then get to soaking. Alright, we got the tub filled up. Now it's time to add some woolite. I'm gonna add like 2 cups. 1 cup. 2 cups. Looks like it'll clean it up pretty good. And then I'm a little excited, guys, because these have like stretched so much since like from the original fit. Like, it's crazy. Like, I have to wear a belt with this pair normally, and right now I'm wearing like this pair without a belt, you know what I mean? Like, it's so let's see how much it'll shrink back towards its original form. We'll see, but I'm excited. I'm really excited. I'm gonna drop them in, and yeah. Crazy, guys. Submerge all of it in there. I might actually add a little bit more water, guys, and then but before that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to agitate them a bit. I'll probably leave these, but I need to add a little bit more water so all of it can be soaked, and then I'm going to add something in so to keep this all down. So after finding nothing but the woolite container, I found some rocks to hold it down. So yeah, we'll be back in 30 minutes to an hour, and I'll start washing them then. Quick update on the denim. Oh, that's looking pretty dirty. I don't know if you guys can see that, but got 15 more minutes. So I'm doing 45 minutes instead of an hour, happy medium there. So looks like it's time, guys. Check on the jeans. You guys are gonna see me do this rubbing motion on it. Rub the denim against each other to clean it. I'm probably gonna use both hands for this, so This is the motion I'll be doing all throughout this denim. Just washing it really, really good. Show you guys this in the sun. I don't think you guys can really see how the shit is. And take the denim out. Leave it over here in the sun for a bit. And then we're gonna get rid of that water. Alright, you guys, I got the clean water. I got them soaking in there again. And then I'm gonna leave them in here for about 5 to 10 minutes to soak, to get rid of all the soap and whatnot. And then I'll be back to rinse them, putting some more rocks. Alright, you guys, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna and then the water's not as bad this time around. Drain the water. Just want to make sure there's no more soap. Just make sure it's submerged once more. One last time. Now that you've made sure there's no more soap, just want to leave these out to dry. And I have a well-placed nail here, right there. I'm gonna hang these on. Alright guys, I ended up taking it off the nail because it didn't look like it was gonna dry properly since the sun's facing that way. But I got it posted up on 2 chairs. Yeah, so this should dry, work a lot better. But I'll be back. Gotta dry the bin too. But I'll be back in a couple hours once these are dry, and yeah. Alright, just got back from picking up some lunch. I think the jeans are done. Oh yeah, I'll be wearing shit. Yeah, pretty not wet at all. So let me show you guys these. Alright guys, here they are. Turned out looking pretty sick. And then on the back. And then the next 2 weeks are going to be the most important part. I'm going to wear these every single day for the next 2 weeks, and I should see even more fades come through. So I hope you guys enjoyed and take something out of this video, and y'all take care. And I almost forgot, wrote the date today.